Hey everyone and welcome. Today, I'm going to compare two popular platforms, Robinhood and Webull, two of the most popular commission-free trading platforms in the US. Which one should you choose in 2024? Let's find out. Both Robinhood and Webull offer commission-free trading and are great for beginners and intermediate traders. However, they have different strengths. Robinhood focuses on simplicity and ease of use, while Webull is feature-packed with more advanced tools for those who want to level up their trading game. Robinhood's key features are commission-free trading, user-friendly interface, crypto trading, and fractional shares. On the other hand, Webull key features are advanced tools, extended trading hours, paper trading, options, and crypto trading. So, which platform is better in 2024? It really depends on your trading style. If you're a beginner who wants simplicity and access to crypto and fractional shares, Robinhood is your best bet. But if you're more of an active trader or want access to advanced charting tools and extended trading hours, Webull is the way to go.